Hello, my name is Karen Williams, and the app that I picked was Starfall. Starfall, I think, is a good app. As you can see, it got pre K and kindergarten that you can start with. The app shows different parts like ABCs, learn to read. It's fun to read, and I'm reading. It has math songs, number songs, and kindergarten app. So here's the ABCs, which would be good for pre K and kindergarten who are just starting, especially pre K who are starting to learn their letters. And you push the arrow because now you're doing A, but you're going to get the sound. Let me do that again so you can hear it. And then it says me, A for apple. So then if you go to the back key, as you see all the letters A, B, A through Z. You see the vowels and stuff. I mean, it has a lot of different stuff in it for pre-K and kindergarten. It also has Starfall for grades first, second, and third. So you have like English language arts, historical folk songs, English grade one or English grade second and third that you can use. They even have seasonal. So I'm gonna go to February, which is like a calendar where you could do a calendar with your students. So you push the green arrow, and then it'll tell you next. It'll tell you the days of the weeks, and it will show you the days 1 through 28, and then it asks you what day of the week is it. Now Thursday is already highlighted, so this is what you hear, and your student would say Thursday to tell you what day of the week it is. So that right there is a good thing, is a calendar that you can do with your kids every morning, and that's with grades 1 through 2. And the website for Starfall is www.starfall.com. Or as I did, I just typed in Starfall. To join Starfall, they give you all this demo so you can see what it's about before you get ready to join. But there is a fee that you have to pay to get Starfall. And I don't know how much it is because I didn't try to go into it to see how much it was because I didn't want to go too far to the point where I have to pay. But I wanted to let everybody know that you can do a demo to where you can see how it works. Will it help you in your classroom? Will it be able to help you with your students and everything? And I just like the fact that it engages the kids in it and different stuff like that. That's kind of like the best thing I like about this. And it'll be useful for anybody that has pre-K kids, kindergarten, first, second, and third. Now, if you teach fourth and up, this is probably not good because most of the kids will probably think that it's kiddie. So that is my thing, Starfall. Thank you.